What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install these hood spacers. Alright guys, today we're gonna install these hood spacers. This is the first time I see this. A subscriber told me if I can install a hood spacers, and actually I didn't know that this thing existed. So this one, it will make this part of the hood to be like higher. Alright, so but there's one problem. Let me tell you. Okay, these are the hood spacers that I got, but I didn't know the size for my hood, so I thought all of these were universal, they will fit any car. But after I checked with my car, the holes doesn't fit. So I already tried to make them fit, but one more problem I found: these bolts are too thin, too small. So I need to get bigger ones, but I got the bigger ones already. I got this one, but I should have 40 millimeters. This is 50 millimeters. But also, I saw another kind of hood spacer, so I'm gonna put the link for the right one, so you don't have to deal with this problem. Okay, but for me, so I already had this, so I'm gonna make the holes bigger in order to fit this. Have the washers. All right, those are the bolts for the hood, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see it. Now I have the right space, but I have to make the holes bigger in order for this to fit on this. Okay, I already made the holes bigger, and now these are ready to put on the hood. Alright, let's install them. Alright, one side is done. It's hard if you do it by yourself, but if you have a friend to help you, I think it's easier. Oh, okay, the light. So now let's do the other side. You can see it there. I hope it is gonna look cool. Alright, the other one is ready. It's not that hard, the installation. The only thing is you have to be very careful not to break the windshield. So right there you can see it. So now let's see if the alignment of the hood is correct. Alright. Alright, you can see it there. I think for me it's way too much to open, because you can put the hand here, but for those that like this, you can do it. This is very easy to do. You can see it there. Okay guys, those are the hood spacers. Let me know what you think on the comments. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them because the opening is a little bit high, but give me your opinion. Put in the comments. If you like it, please like the video. And if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.